Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm preparing ogbono soup. It's a Nigeria delicacy. Most of Nigeria, in fact, this soup is my favorite. The seed is derived from mango seed. It's mango seed. This is the seed. This is how it looks like. So first of all, you blend the ogbono. You can use grinder, anyone can use mortar to pound it. But since I don't have mortar here, I'm using this cafe machine. But it seems that it was giving me problem because it was not working according to the way I want it. So I decided to change it to this my blender because it was much, and this blender will be very fast. In fact, it was fast. So the blender was a rescue to me. As you can see, it's ready. Make sure you blend it very smooth because once it's half seed, you will not like it that much. Like in the village, most people use mortar to pound it. It's ready. After blending, you keep aside. Aside. I'm using this one for the crayfish. Crayfish give it that nice taste. So definitely ogbono without crayfish is not complete. So you have to add up some crayfish. Also keep aside. Time to cook our meat. You can use any meat of your choice. You can use chicken, you can use assorted meat, you can use cow meat, but I was using beef and stockfish. Naturally, ogbono don't need a lot of spices, so I just parboil my meat with seasoning cube and salt. You can add spices depending on how you like it. So this was the ogbono. This is how it looked like. You have that fine texture. This dry pepper. You can use fresh pepper if you don't have dry pepper. Palm oil. You can get this palm oil from any Africa store. So add your crayfish to the ground ogbono. Add dry pepper. Add palm oil. Mix very well. Make sure it's well combined. Ogbono need oil, but don't allow the oil to be too much so that after cooking it you will not have ogbono on top of palm oil on top of the soup. You can see the way I'm mixing it. Make sure everything is well combined. Some people make it direct from the heat, but this is that I prefer most. Like the Igbo, I think they like making their own direct. So this is how it looks like. You see, the oil is not much. Is gauge. So I'm going to put it inside this water, inside this my stock, so that it will melt. Put it inside, cover it, it will ferment, you will have this light texture. You know that it's ready. You take it out. This dry fish. If you want to know how I make that fish, please check out my video. The video is there. Using the oven if you don't have firewood. So you see the ogbono is losing up. This it was hot. I have to use cloth. You see, it's ready. So after boiling my meat, I have to cook this stockfish. Oh my, because the stockfish was so hard. After that, you remove everything from the water so that when turning it, you will not have bones inside the soup. Remove the stockfish, everything, debone it. I'm going to pieces that. I'm not going to put it like that. Stockfish also give it that nice taste. You see how my stock water is boiling. So time to add the minced ogbono. So pour in and mix very well. Make sure you mix very well so that you don't have this lumpy seed. It will come out nice. Without you mixing it very well, it will not come out nice. You have these lumps inside. You can see the way I'm turning it. Turn heavily. Ogbono soup is one of my favorite soup. This is the only soup you will eat that you forget that you are gauge. You will eat more than what you are supposed to eat. Add water if it's too thick. It's more enjoyable when it's not too thick and not too watery. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, leave your comments below, share with your friends. Help me grow. Oh my, this is so beautiful. In fact, if you are here, this aroma alone does something else. You see how nice it's looking. You have to turn it like this so that you will not have seed or lumps. I'm doing it like this to avoid lumps inside. Add water, it was too thick. Ogbono need water. If it's too thick, you will not enjoy it that much. You can use it in any of your favorite swallow. Yam pando, semolina, wheat. Time to start adding cooked meat. Add the stockfish. Seasoning cube. You have to try this soup. You have to. meat. Now is the time to add everything edible. This soup is looking so beautiful, so tasty, it was so tasty. This is the real Ogbono soup, Nigeria delicacy. Add your dry fish or smoked fish, any fish you have, you can use. If you want to know how I make this fish, check out my video. Almost ready. Once it's boiling like this, you know that the soup is almost ready. It's ready. I like to burn a little under. You have that fresh aroma. My mom will always say that I like the soup to burn under. Our Ogbono soup is ready. You see, it's not too thick, it's not too rich. Thank you for watching. Please watch more of my video. Support me, subscribe, leave your comment below. Tell me if you're going to try it or you've seen this kind of soup before. Like I said, it's mango seed Ogbono soup.